Hey guys and gals in video land, it's Bortone. How you doing? I wanted to mention, I've been talking about this for a few days, but it's something that I kind of call the Seinfeld system. Aside from the fact that Seinfeld was my favorite show, it also is a fantastic example of recurring revenue, passive revenue. Again, in the TV business, it's called syndication. But let me share my screen and I'll show you a couple of interesting things here about the Seinfeld economy. So the show itself went off the air over 20 years ago, and yet the cast and creators are still making a shit ton of money year after year. In fact, $3.1 billion the show has generated since entering syndication in 1995. And our friends Larry David and Jerry Seinfeld each make $400 million just from the most recent cycle of syndication. And the reason that I'm kind of obsessed about this whole syndication recurring revenue model is that solopreneurs can scale our businesses and make money essentially the same way. Okay, maybe not 400 million, but if we have a product or a course or a workshop that we can create once and sell over and over again, like our friends from Seinfeld, then we too can get in on the Seinfeld system and this recurring revenue. And it's about as close as we can get as entrepreneurs or solopreneurs to that Seinfeld lovely syndication model of recurring income. So that's why I am creating a course on creating courses. And that's why I'm doing my Product Creation 101 class, which will show you how to create a product or course once and sell it over and over and over again. It scales beautifully. It's a great way to grow your business. It's a great way to make passive income and recurring revenue. I've done it a gazillion times myself, and I want to help you do it. And it's not that hard. And even if you have created courses or workshops or webinars or products that haven't sold that well, check out this class, because this will give you all the ins and outs and show you a simple, streamlined system for not only creating your course, but for marketing and selling it online. So let's get in on some of that Seinfeld system kind of income and create some recurring revenue and passive income with my Product 101 course, which starts soon. So jump in, totally awesome investment, because you can create something once and make money again and again and again. Hope you'll check it out. Bye-bye.